Hello students, welcome to Punjabi class. Today we will learn how to write ED. Before starting the class, let's recall what we have done in the previous class. As you know, we are having two books for Punjabi. The first one is Akhar Gyan and the second one is Akhar Sulekh. In the previous class, you have read page number 3 of Akhar Gyan. There you read ED, E. Now, your today's work is to write ED on page number 10. Open page number 10 of Akhar Sulekh. Today you have to complete this page, page number 10. You have to trace ED over here. And for this, I'll teach you how to write ED. For teaching you ED, I have drawn 5 lines. But I will use only 3 lines to draw ED. I will not use the first line and I will not use the last line. I'll draw ED like this. For that, starting from the second line, I will draw a sleeping line like this. And then I'll draw a standing line. But I will not start drawing line from the end of the sleeping line. I will leave some gap and start from here. I will draw a line like this. Make sure the line you drawn must touch the third line. This is first line, this is second, and this one is third line. And then draw a curve like this till here. Now I'll draw a bit slanting line like this. Here you can see the gap. I have left gap and then I draw line. Now here I will leave some gap and I will draw a line like this. Now you have learned how to write ED. Look at these two pages. Let's talk about this page. This is the page similar to the pages given in your Akhar Sulekh book. Look at here. I have drawn the same pattern with more gaps, just for clarity purpose. On your book, you have to write all Punjabi alphabets in these 3 lines. Now, look at here. I have written ED in these 2 boxes. Now, I will teach you how to write ED in these lines. Now, for that, I'll tell you, I'll not use the first and the last line. I will write ED using these 3 lines. So, for that I'll use red pen. But you have to use pencil. First step is to draw a line, a sleeping line like this. Then a standing line. And then draw a curve like this. And last step is to draw a line that should touch here. This is ED. Now look at here. As I have told you earlier, for practicing ED or any alphabet of Punjabi on copy, you have to use square line copy. Here you can see the boxes and you have to write all alphabets in boxes only. Today I will tell you how to write ED in the square box. For that I have drawn the same pattern over here, but the boxes sizes are bigger so that you can clearly understand how to draw ED. Over here I have drawn one ED. Look it very. I'll use this box. Look at here. Draw a slipping line like this. Then leave some gap at the end and start drawing standing line like this. Stop at half of the box. Now draw a semicircle or curve like this and leave some gap here. Start from there and draw a line like this. This is ED. Now revise the rules. First step, now your work is to finish page number 10 and you have to practice writing ED on square line sheet. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video.